Hey Morgan, what are you up to today?
Hey, I'm working on some microscopy for my project.
What questions are you hoping to answer in the Mera Lab?
So in the Mera Lab, we're really interested in how the cell is able to regulate chromosome replication initiation and chromosome segregation.
What's the coolest piece of equipment you get to use?
Oh, obviously the microscope. So we have two of these in the lab and we get to take some beautiful pictures.
Can you describe your PhD project in one sentence?
Ooh, in one sentence, that's tough. I would say that my project is looking at a polar regulator that's involved in chromosome segregation, chromosome anchoring, and some antibiotic resistance.
And what fascinates you most about this topic?
I think what is really interesting to me is that this has actually been overlooked quite a lot in the literature, so it's just kind of like something new and exciting.
Early mornings or late nights in the lab?
Definitely late nights.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I go to see my horse a lot.
Can you show us a picture? Awesome. What's your favorite part of the cell cycle?
My favorite part of the cell cycle would be chromosome replication initiation and segregation.
If you could cure one disease, what would it be?
One disease. I would say leukemia because my grandpa has leukemia.
What's the best part of being in the Mera Lab?
The best part about being in the Mera Lab is definitely the people, like Jake.
What do you listen to while in the lab?
I listen to German rock.
Agar art or flow cytometry graphs?
Definitely agar art.
Gram positive or gram negative?
Gram negative because that's what we study.
DNA sequencing or protein assays?
Protein assays.
What is something you wish more people knew about life as a PhD student?
I would say that it's not just taking classes. There's a lot more involved in being a PhD student.
What was your childhood dream?
My childhood dream is actually to become a veterinarian.
And what made you pivot to MCB?
So when I was in my undergrad, I had an opportunity to work in a lab, and that really inspired me to become like a scientist.
And who's your biggest cheerleader or supporter?
For sure, 100% my mom.
Where have you always wanted to visit?
Germany.
How do you deal with a challenge or problem that comes up in an experiment?
I talk to a lot of the other people in our lab and troubleshoot that way.
And 3 words to describe MCB?
Collaborative, inclusive, and rigorous.
That's all we have. Thanks, Morgan.
Thanks.